how you can add the Astra theme into your WordPress. So all you're gonna have to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard and on the left go to Appearance and Themes. So open Themes, and now we need to add a theme. So here is the bottom, Add Theme, and now search for the Astra. Astra should be in popular section here on the first page. So find the Astra, or you can just search for it here in the search bar. So find it, you can see the details and preview it. This is basically it. And if you click install, you're gonna install that theme into your WordPress. So click that. Now it was installed and click activate. So now in your appearance section, in your themes, the Astra theme is active, as you can see. So now if you want to build something, you're gonna use the Astra theme. So that's basically how you can do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.